much time. Thanks up on the mothers, we're all the best place around. Some stupid with a flare gun burn the place to the ground. Smoke on the water, fire in the sky. Smoke on the water. They burned down the gambling house. It died with an awful sound. A funky cloud was running in and out, bowling kids out of ground. When it all was so far, I had to find another place. But Swiss time was running out. It seems that we will lose our way. Smoke on the water, fire in the sky. Smoke on the water.
Rick,
Yes?
guess what I found?
What did you find, Dad?
Jelly bellies.
Oh my God.
Lots of jelly bellies. Cans here.
Well, came out to Monterey on the Lake Geneva shoreline to make cracks with the mobile. We didn't have much time. Thanks up around the mothers, we had the best place around. But some stupid with a flare gun burned the place to the ground. Yeah, smoke on the road.
Representatives from North Canada, Transport Canada, Metro Police, the Army, and the Navy all want to talk to you when you get on the ground.
Smoke on the water. Yeah. They burned down the gambling house. He died with an awful sound. But the car was running in and out, pulling kids out of the ground. When it all was over, we had to find another place. But Swiss time was running out. It seemed to lose the race, yeah. Smoke on the water and fire in the sky. Smoke on the water.
And I love this town. One more New West, and I'm out of here.
Ended up at a Grand Hotel. It was empty, cold and bad.
The stability of the entire formation depends completely on the two line astern pilots. In the first line astern position is Snowbird 4, Captain Greg Wheat.
No matter what we get out of this, I know we'll never forget you. Smoke on the water and fire in the sky.
March now to stage center as the boss leads Snowbirds 2 through 7 in the 7